Hi guys, it's Marianne the Frugal Chef. I hope you're well. Let's make this Greek pasta salad. It is fresh, it's delicious, loaded in flavor and good stuff. Before we do anything, if you would sub, I'd really appreciate it. Press the notification button so that you don't miss out on anything, and let's make this. For our salad, we're going to use half of a green bell pepper. I'm gonna use 3 of these Persian cucumbers. You can use regular cucumber, just seed it, okay? I'm also gonna use a piece of red onion, half a cup of tomatoes. Look, these are tiny, so I'm not gonna cut them. I'm gonna leave them like this, but if you have bigger tomatoes, half them. A 1/3 cup of seeded Kalamata. Also, I'm gonna leave these whole, but if you wanna cut them in half, that's okay. And a 1/3 cup of Feta cheese. If you can't find Feta cheese, guys, use a salty white cheese, that's fine. So we're gonna cube this. Since these are small, I'm just gonna go ahead and slice them thin like this. If you're using regular cucumber, after you seed it, cube it like the pepper, okay? The quantities for this really don't have to be exact because, you know, it's a salad, so it doesn't matter. You guys put more or less of whatever you want. I'm only gonna use 2 of these guys, that's too much. We are going to slice the onion very thinly. In this bowl, I have 12 ounces of cooked pasta. I'm using a bow tie. You can use any pasta you want, guys. Any small pasta, okay? I cooked it and then I washed it, under cold water so it will stop cooking. So now I'm just gonna add all of these things we chopped. Our tomatoes, our olives, and our feta cheese. Let's make the dressing now. I'm gonna put half a cup of olive oil in here, half a cup of red wine vinegar, salt, black pepper, about a half teaspoon of oregano, taste the salt. Beautiful. Now I'm gonna pour it into our bowl and we will toss it. Ooh. And our delicious salad is ready. Oh, yum. All right, let's plate this and eat it. Let's taste our salad. This is beautiful. You got all the crisp veggies in there, that cucumber, the pepper. So nice. And the salad dressing, beautiful in here. Thanks for watching the video. I'll see you soon.